A bag contains one red and two green balls. So let us consider, let the bag contains 10 balls be one red and two green balls, G1 and G2. And now one ball is drawn from the bag at random, its color is noted, and then ball is put back in the bag. So the possible sample space can be taken. Sample space of the given experiment can be given by, since we need to pick up two things, like one ball is drawn from the bag and again color is noted and again put them, and one more ball is drawn from the bag at random, its color also noted. So total two balls to be picked up. So either it can be red first time, and again once you are replacing that, again you may have red ball, so that's a possibility of red and red. And the other possibility we can take with a red and either G1, or we can go with a possibility like R and G2. We go with like G1 first green one then red, or we can go with the green 2 then red, or first green one and then again green 2, or the first green 2 and then again green 1. And also the possibilities we may have first time green 1 and again second also green 1, and again first green 2 and again second also green 2. So these are the different possible outcomes. So that denotes the sample space. Now let us define, and here given x denote the number of red balls drawn from the bag as described above. Find derive the probability distribution of x. So here x is a random variable. So here x denotes the number of red balls. Now derive the probability. Now let us see from each and every event here, like how many red balls are there. So if I can consider x for the first event, like here set r comma r. So how many red balls are there here? Two possibilities. Two reds are there, and again when you pick up the next one, a red green one, or we can go with the red green 2, or you can go with the red green 1 red, or you can go with the green 2 red. So all these are having with only one red ball, so we need to count only the number of red balls, that's a 1. And then again, so you are having the possibility x such that other events can be taken G1 G2, and x such that G2 G1, and for x we have like a G1 G1, and x of containing G2 G1, sorry G2 G2. So the number of red balls in all these events is 0. So totally finally you will be getting, so the random variable x can take the values 2, 1 and 0. So a discrete random variable, a discrete means different random variable x can take values 0, 1 and 2. So let's take the probability distribution table now. Let's take the table. For x is equal to, let us consider x an observation. The values can be taken here: 0, 1 and 2, and let us take the probabilities at x is equal to each observation. So the probability at x is equal to x means 0. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 are there, out of which in a sample space we can count that number of elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So out of 9, the 4 events are like 4 outcomes are with 0. So we can say 4 out of 9 is the probability. And for x is equal to 1, we can say here again 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are having 4 out of total 9. And with the 2 outcomes 2, it's nothing but only one possible outcome here, r and r. So we'll have 1 out of 9. So this will describe the probability distribution of x. Okay, thank you.